Breaking cold till there's no light, no light can escape it. Breaking holes in the cold light, so I can be blamed like I don't know about my dream. But you'll find it tonight.
Jumping into this makeup transformation, starting with my hair, I'm going to show you how I shape and define my curly hair. I like to keep it raw, and I just put some conditioner in a spray bottle. I use some foaming mousse as well as a Denman brush, and I begin to define and shape my curly hair in the way I want to wear it on my head. This hair is from HJ Weave Beauty. I did a full tutorial on how I created this wig, and in this video you see me style it because I'm actually transforming. I freaking love this hair. It is gorgeous, okay? Gorgeous. Probably the best curly hair vendor I have so far. I'm going to leave all the details down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes and the exact links to the hair I have. I highly recommend the hair. So all I'm going to do is continue to rake the hair and define the curls so that I have that gorgeous wet look. But then later on I do kind of comb it out because I like big hair. But when I say this hair keeps that wet look that everybody loves for the summertime, highly recommend this hair. It's beautiful, and guess what, it is tangle freaking free. Not one tangle with these curls, and it's hard to have curly hair that doesn't tangle. This hair does not tangle. Hair looks, it's gorgeous. It looks wet. If you don't comb it out, it keeps this exact look. All right, so now we're gonna take ourselves from a 10 to a 10, because I don't care what you guys say, I'm still cute without all the makeup in the hair, honey. She's still beautiful. I'm just gonna put this on my head and secure my frontal. I have a detailed video on how I do my frontals. I'm not gonna go in depth in this video. I'm gonna link that in the iCard, and you guys can check that video out. But in the meantime, yeah, let's transform, honey. Okay, like, can we just take a moment to say how good this frontal look? I mean, come on, it looks bomb. I didn't even freaking finish the job. All I did was lay it down, and it looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my skin. Don't forget, the description box is your best friend. I have a full detailed list of every single product I use to do this transformation, and I'm gonna go into my brows, and I'm gonna just start shaping and framing my brows. I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer to clean up my brows and any sparse hairs I may have to really define and outline my brows. The concealer was way too light for my liking. I like a more natural looking defined underbrow, and so I went in with a darker concealer from Maybelline. I'm not worried about nobody else. It's just me and you tonight. No, I don't wanna fuss and fight. I just
just wanna make things right, girl, you deserve it. I swear, I swear.
I'm using the same very light concealer from Wet n Wild to prime my lids and use it as the base for my eyeshadow because I'm going for a fun, bright, colorful look.
I got a little too much going on, wait a minute. Try and hit the road, make the nigga pay attention. But you been right there holding on till I finish. You wait right there, girl, I swear you about to get it. No.
For this look, I'm using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I'm not too fond of it as it takes a lot of building up to get the colors to be pigmented, but it does work and it is affordable. For $10, you can't go wrong. It's a beautiful color palette. It's a gorgeous palette. I just wish it was a lot more pigmented. I literally had to blend a lot in order to get the colors to look extremely pigmented on my eyes. For this look, I'm definitely going to be cutting my crease and packing on the pink pigment in the palette.
On my hand, girl, we'll make it through. Yeah. Don't worry about nobody else. Oh yeah, you make me complete. You're all that matters to me.
Again, I just want to reiterate that the description box will have a full detailed list of everything I use and all the colors I used on my eyes. And here's the fun part. I'm using this Absolute New York eyeliner. It is so freaking gorgeous and it just made this entire look come together. It's everything I wanted and I was just loving this fun transformation. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and like this video for me. Please comment down below any more videos you want to see or makeup looks or anything that you want to learn about makeup. I am getting better. So yeah, let me know what other transformations you want to see me do down below in the comment section. And if you're a part of my notification squad, don't forget to ring off, sound off, make some noise.
Breaking cold till there's no light, no life can escape it. Breaking holes in the cold light, so I can be blamed like I don't know about my dream.
I'm just gonna add a ton of mascara and go in with some lashes.
And all this got me saying,
Alright, I'm gonna prime my face using one of my favorite primers by Pop Beauty. Followed by my absolute favorite primer from Pixi. It's a rose balm for your face. It's amazing, amazing. These two are the dream team for me.
It's like I'm here, but I'm not. I'm all one, my mind appears to be shot. Trying to navigate this.
I thought this concealer was my skin tone. No, it's a lot lighter when applied. So I did mix two different concealers to try to get a blush tone base to color correct, because y'all know I have some dark circles.
Tell what's real and what's actual as the night passes gradual. Staying high for so natural. Took half a pill at 12:48, 2:35. I grabbed the baggie and shake and dumped out half of this plate. Inside my head, I always have the debate. be. Is this a dream?
I'm going in with my Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream. It is a lot warmer than my skin tone, but when I reach my full peak of my tan, this matches my complexion perfectly. But I like making my skin a lot warmer, so it worked out well. And then I'm just gonna highlight my highlighted areas. Shout out to me for using all drugstore products in this transformation video. Every single product I used was drugstore, minus the hair. Yo, if you know what song I'm singing, comment it down below in the comment section. Let me know who knows what song I'm singing right here. I'm gonna finish up my under eyes with that same bright pink color, and I'm going to diffuse it with the Corally Punch color in the palette. For my inner corner highlighter, I'm going in with that gorgeous shade in the palette. It's so freaking beautiful in tan and brown skin. We can use that as a highlighter on our face because it is a bomb. I'm hitting my waterline with my new favorite waterline pencil from Pixie. It is a cream flesh color. Gorgeous for medium dark skin. Like, gorgeous. I'm going to use this Absolutely Your bronzer to bronze and kind of contour my skin, not too much. I just want a healthy glow. To highlight, I'm going in with Maybelline Master Chrome and Makeup Revolution Baked Highlighter. Now I'm gonna go in and style my hair. Like I said, I like bigger curls, but as you can see, the hair keeps the wet look. But I'm just gonna fluff it out with a wide tooth comb, just a little bit. And again, this hair is from WeaveBeauty. I highly recommend it. Like, y'all don't understand how much I recommend this hair. It's been a while since I could recommend a bomb vendor. They are bomb. So yeah, check out the description box. This transformation with doing our lips. I'm gonna line my lips with some NYX lip liner, and I'm going in with Pixie by Petra liquid lipsticks. I love the formula of these babies. They are bomb liquid lipsticks from the drugstore. All right, that's it for this transformation video. If you really enjoyed it, don't forget to thumbs me up. Follow me on my social media networks. Comment down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.
And all this got me saying, ooh.